Hi everyone, thanks for joining us today as we have a very special product showcase for you. We are excited to show off our brand new 8 megapixel IP series cameras. In fact, we're actually filming this video right off one of those 4K cameras. So if you do have a 4K display, feel free to hit the gear in the bottom right corner of your screen and up your YouTube resolution to 2160p. If you are using a 1080p display, this will provide a still very good image, but you'll only get the true experience if you have an actual 4K display. So as you can see here, I have 6 cameras with me today. I have 2 turrets, 2 vandals, and 2 bullets. That's because we actually offer 2 different series of cameras. One is fixed and one is motorized. Besides the motorized lens, there's a couple key differences between these cameras. But first, let's take some time to show you what they can both do. All of these units are capable of 8 megapixels, also commonly referred to as 4K. This is an effective resolution of 3840 by 2160. This is 4 times as sharp as 2 megapixel and a whopping 8 times as sharp as 1 megapixel. All of these cameras are able to hit 15 frames per second at the 4K resolution, but are able to be down-tuned to 3 megapixels to hit a maximum of 25 frames per second, and you can see the difference between those 2 speeds on the screen here. All 6 cameras are capable of 120 dB WDR to help with the most conflicting of lighting circumstances. Not only can these units use the standard H.264 video compression, but they're also capable of performing the newest H.265 compression. This provides a massive 64% decrease in file size for recordings at 8 megapixels or 4K from the H.264 standard. This will save precious hard drive space and allow many more consecutive hours of footage to be stored. Both the fixed and motorized lens cameras are outdoor rated for IP67. They both deliver a stunning color image during the day and are able to see clear, crisp monochrome images at night using smart IR in environments with lighting as low as 0 lux. As you can see here, the IR distance varies from unit to unit, with 50 meters being the furthest IR distance available. All 6 8 megapixel cameras feature Intelligent Video Surveillance or IVS rules such as tripwire and intrusion, allowing you to set triggers for precise alarms and alerts. When used with an AI-capable NVR, all 6 of these units are able to perform facial capture, which the NVR can then use to compare to its database for facial recognition purposes. All of these units feature some level of adjustability for ease of installation in a variety of locations. All 6 of these cameras also come equipped with a micro SD card slot, capable of taking a card with a capacity of up to 128 gigabytes. The motorized and fixed lens cameras both share a 110-degree horizontal field of view arc. So we've covered all the similarities that are between the 2 8 megapixel series of cameras, but what about what sets them apart? Well, when it comes to audio and I/O, there's actually quite a few differences even between cameras within the same series. For example, only the turret domes in both series come equipped with an embedded microphone. Additionally, both the Vandal domes and the motorized bullet come equipped with external audio input and alarm I/O. This means they can send and receive trigger signals with a variety of devices. The fixed bullet, however, has no audio or alarm capabilities. Lastly, the biggest and most important difference between the 2 sets of 8 megapixel cameras is the 4 times optical zoom present in the motorized editions. These cameras come equipped with a 2.7mm lens that can adjust up to 12mm, unlike the fixed cameras which are locked at a 2.8mm lens. We also carry a series of mounts that will cover any of your installation needs across all 6 8 megapixel series cameras. All 6 of these units are available now. If you have any questions regarding compatibility, installation, or availability, don't hesitate to give one of our sales pros a call at 866-573-8878. Thanks again for joining us today, and if you liked the video, please give us a like and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.